So if you have been thinking of earning money online, especially high ticket commissions, this is where you earn commissions of $500 per sale to $1,000 per sale, or even $2,000 per sale. Okay, now this is the best high ticket affiliate program out there, and I highly recommend it to you. It's called the OLSP TeamBuilders High Ticket Affiliate Marketing System. Okay, now if you look at this, you will see how much I have already made with this system already. Now look at that. That is $9,579. Now, because this is a very lucrative system and it's completely done for you, right? So because it's completely done for you, it is the best for brand new beginners, and that's why I am recommending this particular high ticket system for everyone out there. Look, the first thing I want to do is to show you some of those high ticket commissions that I have been paid already by this system. So let's go quickly right now. All right, now if you look at this, this is one of the payments that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. The Wayne Crow Limited are the owners of the OLSP systems, which are the owners of the team builder system also, right? Now, if you look at this, you will see that I received a commission of $679 paid to me straight to my Wise Bank account by the Wayne Crow Limited. Look, imagine yourself a brand new beginner where all you needed to do is to join this program, and then you start sharing your link. And look, everything you'll be taught how to share your link. Now you start sharing your link, and then you start making commissions, high ticket commissions of $500 and above. And look at the kind of commission that you could get straight to your bank account. $679 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. But that is not all. Let me show you another commission that I received. Look at that. This is another commission that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. Look at that. $1,508 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. How do you like that? This is amazing, right? Look, all you do is share the link. Just one link. You share that one link, and then the system does all the work for you. Okay? And I'm going to explain that to you very soon before I'm done with this video. Let me quickly show you another commission that I earned by the Wayne Crow Limited. Look at that. Look at this payment that I got also. $1,004 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. This is awesome, right? Where you just keep earning high ticket commissions over and over again, and you are paid by the company consistently. It's powerful. Let's look at another one. Look at this. This is another payment of $642 that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. How do you like that? Let's check another payment. Look at it. This is a $2,096 commission that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. $2,000. How would you like to earn $2,000 over and over again? This is possible from this high ticket system. It's very possible. But let's check another one. Look at this. This is another payment of $679. Powerful, right? That I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. Let's check another one. Look at this. This is another payment of $1,000 that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. Look, this is what we call high ticket. And look, there are so many people promoting this system and making high ticket commissions. I'm going to show you just a few of them. Okay, now look at these people promoting this program. Now you can see this is where they say congratulations to Victor Efui on a high ticket sale, because I am a team builder. When you are a team builder, you can now earn high ticket commissions that is done for you. Now, let me show you another person. Look at it. This is Mario Stander. Mario Stander is a team builder, and you can see he made a high ticket commission. Let's quickly check another person. This is Barb Anderson Bishop. She's a team builder and she earned a high ticket commission. Look at it. This is Ida. She's a team builder. She earned a high ticket commission. Look at this. This is Jonathan Wilson. He is a team builder and you can see he makes high ticket commissions. Look at it. This is Lena Bondel. She's a team builder and she earned high ticket commission. Let's check another person. This is Jill Blake. She's a team builder and she earns high ticket commissions. Look at it. This is John Bitter. He's a team builder and you can see he made a high ticket commission. Look at Peggy Price. She's a team builder and she earned a high ticket commission. Look at Richard Hassan. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Look at it. This is Daniel Martin. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Look at that. That's Al Amaro. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commission. Look at it. This is Linda Lee Hoggin. She's a team builder and she earns high ticket commission. Look at it. This is Calvin Merrick. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Look at it. This is Janelle Rene. She's a team builder and she earns high ticket commission. Look at it. This is Michael DeLuca. He's a team builder and as you can see, he earns high ticket commissions. Look at it. This is Jeff Drew. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. Look at this is Paul Hammond. He's a team builder and he earns high ticket commission. Look at it. This is Harry Thompson. He is a team builder and he earns high ticket commissions. This is awesome. Look, you too. You can join our team today and become a team builder so that you can start earning those high ticket commissions. Let me just explain a little bit of what you get when you become a team builder today, right now. So let's go to my notes immediately. Now, let's talk about the OLSP TeamBuilders high ticket affiliate marketing system, right? Now, what is this? Now, the TeamBuilders system is a learn and earn system. You know what that means? That means that you are going to immediately, once you join the TeamBuilder, you are going to get a coaching program where you learn how to start a high ticket business, how to promote the high ticket business, how to get traffic, how to get customers to your high ticket business, how to grow your high ticket business and earn consistent high ticket commissions online, guys. So you can see it's a training and coaching program. As you are learning, you are earning at the same time. This is powerful. Now, why do we earn a lot of commissions with this system? Because the TeamBuilders products include training courses, softwares, apps, marketing systems, and all these products combined help you to consistently earn commissions. It's powerful, right? Very, very powerful. Now, what do you get when you become a team builder? You will get a complete, automated, done for you follow-up marketing system. What does that mean? That means that all you need to do is to just keep sharing your link, okay? Now, as you share your link and bring in leads into your system, the system takes over and then it does all the follow-up for you. It's powerful, right? This is the only system that does all the follow-up for you for life. So it follows up by email. Not only that, it invites your leads to webinars, and webinars is where they convert the leads to high ticket sales for you. Now, the system automatically invites your leads to webinars and then trainings, and also the sale. They have a phone call team that calls your lead and close the sale for you. How do you like that? High ticket sales are made by phone call, and you don't have to do any of those phone calls because the team, they have a team that does all that for you. All right, now let's look at what you don't have to have. When you join the team builder system, you don't need to create any product of your own because there are a lot of products in the system for you to earn commissions, especially high ticket commission. Now also, you don't need any technical skill because everything will be set up for you and they just give you your link, and that is the only link you just need to share to start earning those high ticket commission. And that is not all, right? This is amazing because you don't need to recruit anybody. No, you only need to share your link. All the recruiting is done by the system. You don't have to call anybody because they, like I told you, they have a phone call team. They do all the calling for you. You don't need to sell anything at all. Why? Because they do all the selling for you, and that is powerful. Now let's look at the commissions that you earn when you are a OLSP team builder member. Now, one of the commissions you earn is a 200% unlimited 200% commissions in front-end mega link sales. Now, if you know the OLSP, most people are promoting the mega link, and when you promote mega link, you will normally earn 100% commission. But look at this, when you become a team builder, you will earn 200% commission, more money. But that is not all. As a team builder, you will earn unlimited second tier commissions in front end mega link sale. So that means that whenever your team member start building their business and then start making mega link sales, you will earn 200% commission for without doing any work. That is what we call passive income. This does not exist in any high ticket programs, but it exists in the OLSP team builder system. But that is not all. You will also earn unlimited second tier commissions on all products in the system. So this is extreme passive income. Look, this is so powerful because what it means is this: anytime your team member either buy or sell a product in the OLSP system, you will earn commission. Think about that. If your team member buys anything, you make commission. If they sell anything to their in the business, you also make commission. Unlimited second tier commission. This is powerful, right? But that is not all. As a team builder, you will earn unlimited high ticket commissions of $500 to $2,600 per sale. This is mind-blowing, guys. I tell you, really, really mind-blowing. So I'm not going to waste your time anymore. If you are interested in joining our team in the OLSP team builder system, very simple. All you have to do, go below this video you are watching right now, just like this, okay? Now, once you come below the video, okay? So once you come below this video, just go straight to the description. Just give me a second. Awesome, awesome. All right, so once you come below the video you are watching right now, go straight to the description, go to where it says step 1, join the OLSP team builder system. Okay, go ahead, click the first link. Just like that. Now, once you click that first link, that will now bring you to this capture page website. Okay, now all you need to do is very simple. Just enter your first name here, See that? Then enter your best email address here. Then you see the green button that says click here to join now. Go ahead, click that green button. Now, once you click the green button, that will take you immediately to the OLSP TeamBuilders website. Okay, so when you get to this website, what you want to do is to watch the video. Okay, so you want to watch the video, this video here, because it gives you more bonuses, more explanations that you really need. Okay, then after watching the video, then you scroll down to this green button that says click here to get instant access at $997. Look at that. You only pay one time, but look at all the benefits that you get when you join the TeamBuilders system. Guys, let me even show you other verified results. Look at Neil. Neil made a high ticket commission of $2,600. Look at Albert, a team builder, made a commission of $2,600. Look at Jesse, $2,600 high ticket commission. Look at Joy, $2,600 high ticket commission. Look at Lynn, $4,200 high ticket commission. Look at Prakash, $4,200 high ticket commission. Look at Jean, $4,300 high ticket commission. Look at Dana, $4,300 high ticket commission. So you can see the very powerful and highly lucrative high ticket program. That's why I told you this is the best high ticket program out there on the internet. So if you are ready to get started, go ahead, click this green button, pay your $997 and join the TeamBuilders today. This is amazing. Now, if you have any question at all about the OLSP TeamBuilders, okay, you can leave it in the comment section right now. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button. But don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.